Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable edge enhancement on videos on RTX 4090. Edge enhancement will make edges of the object sharper in movies so they are more visible, and to enable or disable that setting you need to right click on the desktop and go to NVIDIA Control Panel. Then go to Adjust Video Image Setting under the Video section and find Edge Enhancement. Now you can set it to use the NVIDIA setting, and you can adjust the value by how much to enhance the edges. Then remember to apply before closing the app, and I recommend after setting this just testing it out yourself on some movies to see if it works great for you, and maybe possibly change the value later if it doesn't work too good for you. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.